What's up YouTube, ReggieTECH here, and today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing these Aluratek Bluetooth wireless stereo headphones. So I have gone ahead and reboxed these headphones just to give you guys the experience of the unboxing, as well as to let you guys see just how everything comes in the packaging. I've been using these headphones for the past 2.5 to 3 weeks, and I've got to say these are probably one of the best wireless over-the-ear headphones that I've ever used, and they definitely do not disappoint. So you guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look around the box, and then we'll get into what comes inside the packaging. Taking a look around the box, the first thing on the front cover that you do see is the picture of the right side of the headset. Now I'm telling you guys that's the right side of the headset because I've just been using it and I've kind of memorized which is the right and which is the left side. Now the right side of these headphones do have all the controls built right into that earpiece. And then you can see the little extension arm that it has here to adjust the height and everything. That is a metal bit. And then the rest of the headphone itself. And it does say the company's name right here on the bottom, which is Aluratek. Coming to the side of the box, you do get to see the right portion of these headphones, and that's the controller arm right here. You can see all the controls are right here, and you can also see by looking at the bottom that it does have that USB, that micro USB charging port right there. Now that's pretty much it on this side. Coming around to the other side of this box, you do see that it says Aluratek again. It says it's a Bluetooth wireless stereo headphones, and that it comes with that 1-year warranty. And then coming to the back is where you get all of the information about this device. You get the frequency that it handles, you get all the functionality that you can use these headphones with, and you get to see the battery life. You get to see that it does allow you to have hands-free talking, that it does have the on-the-air controls, and that it does have a cushioned comfort. And then down at the bottom you do see that it says Bluetooth, that it's USB 2.0, that it has that 1-year warranty, that it's compatible with both PC and Mac, and that it has a 33-foot range. So you guys, let's go ahead and get into this box. So to open it, originally it had a piece of tape that is basically taping the two plastics together. Obviously I've opened it already, so we're just going to go ahead and take the rest of it off. Alright, and once you get that portion off, this box also has another tab that opens up. And then you can just slide everything out. And this is basically everything that you get in the packaging. You get your record of purchase, so you can put down your model number, your serial number, your product name, the place of purchase, and the date of purchase, just so that you can keep that 1-year warranty very managed. Next up, you do get the operating manual, and it basically gives you all of the controls and all of the information that you need to know about the on-ear control system. And right here it does say that the plus and minus rocker right there is the volume control, that it has an answer call, end call, power on, power off, pair Bluetooth device, play and pause button, all built into this middle section right here. And down at the bottom with the 2 arrows, it's the next and the previous track. Then at the bottom of that entire control system, you have the microphone and you have the micro USB charging port. Opening this little manual up a little bit more, right here it does have all the operations and the proper operating techniques for this headphone set. So right here you see on the top the charging of the battery. So it says that the battery is not fully charged, and it's highly recommended that you charge, and then it gives you the name of the headphone right here, which is the ABH04F. Before you begin using it. Now that's something that you should do with any type of headphone set that you get that's Bluetooth, anything that has a battery in it, just to ensure that you're going to be discharging the battery from the highest battery capacity, rather than starting the battery off midway and then not letting it get the time to basically adjust itself so that it knows what its battery life is, or to calibrate its battery. Now it says how to charge it, basically you're going to go ahead and connect the larger head of the USB to a computer or a power adapter, and then connect the micro USB right into the micro USB port on the headphone itself. And then you'll see the lights that are blinking. It'll be a red light while it's charging, and then when it's done charging, the red light will turn to blue. And then down here it shows the functions, to enter pairing mode, how to perform that. Basically you just have to ensure that it's turned off, press and hold the power button for 6 seconds. Then you'll see the LED indicator blink red and blue rapidly, and that's basically it going into pairing mode. Then it shows you how to turn it off and turn it on. You basically hold the pause and play button until the red light flashes, and then it basically shuts down from that point. And then it gives you some more information, and I'm not going to go into reading all of this stuff, but you guys can go ahead and take a look at this if you'd like to. Putting that one aside, then you do have another manual. It's basically the same thing, but it's in Spanish. And then in this little baggie you get a little micro USB cable to use while charging your headphones. So putting all that stuff aside, we can go ahead and take the headphones out of the plastic encasement that they put it in. And as you guys can see, this headphone set has a really nice shape to it. I like the cushion that they used on these headphones. It's a really nice spongy cushion, and it does aid with adding a lot of comfort to you while you're wearing them. Now on each of the arms it does say whether it's the left or the right ear piece, and over the right ear it does have the Aluratek sign, which is really cool. And then you can see as I've been moving around these little ear bits right here that they do pivot side to side, and that does give you a lot of comfort because you get to adjust just how you want these to sit on your ears. And then you do have the adjustment slider right here, so you can slide it up or down depending on how you want your headphones to rest on your head. For me, I keep them all the way down because, well, I've been told I have a small head. Anyways, aside from that, then we have the control arm piece right here, and you see it right here. It has the plus and minus rocker. That is a rocker system. The 2 arrows, the next and previous song buttons, are on a rocker system as well, and the pause and play, power and power off and end call and accept call button is just a regular button, and that's pretty much it. So you guys, it's a beautiful day outside. I want to take you guys outside and we'll finish discussing a lot of the good aspects about these headphones, as well as the comfort that it offers. And we'll also be testing out the mic just to see how clear the mic records audio. So I'll see you guys up top. What is up, everyone? So we are up here on the rooftop and I am testing out the mic system on these headphones. I am not using any other mics whatsoever. I don't have a mic on my body, and I'm not using the phone's mic that I'm recording on right now. I'm primarily using the mic system that's built into these Aluratek headphones. These Aluratek headphones are super comfortable. I've got to say they are one of the most comfortable headsets that I've ever used that go over the air. Usually when I use over the air headphones, and just as a comparison, I'm going to be comparing it to the AKG headphones that I got in the immersive package with the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, because those are one of the other over-the-air headphones that I have that are Bluetooth. Comparing it to those headphones, these headphones are so much more comfortable. The padding that they use for the cushions of these Aluratek headphones are way more comfortable, and I like how they designed it. I like that they didn't design it in the circle formation to where it goes over your ears. Now I know when it goes over your ears it's more to act as a noise cancellation barrier, but to be honest with you guys, I don't see much of a difference with these from those AKG headphones. Now these headphones, they do block out a lot of the sound around me. Like when I'm listening to music and I'm on the go and I'm outside, I don't hear a lot of the outside noise. And I'm saying that because I don't even listen to music on the full volume. Overall, these Aluratek headphones are super comfortable to wear, and I've got to say it has really crisp sound quality. I can be listening to music and it's a windy day, and to be honest with you guys, I can still hear the music perfectly fine through these headphones. And comparing that to using like an in-ear headphones or something on a windy day, you'll hear a lot of the wind noise, and it really does take away from the sound that's coming out of the headphones. But with these, although these don't completely cover, like they don't have like a circle that goes around your ear to form that noise cancellation barrier, it basically has that sponge that you guys saw before. Now that sponge basically is a really nice cushion for your ears, and that's another thing that I think is really comfortable about these Aluratek headphones. With those AKG headphones, just using that as a comparison, I feel like they're always squishing my ears, and I really can't have those headphones on for a long time because of that. My ears start to hurt and I start to get head pains. Another thing with the AKG headphones that don't work for me is that it doesn't really fit me. Now, as you guys can see, these headphones fit me perfectly, and with the AKG headphones, they're standing up about that tall off of my head. So that's one thing that I really love about these headphones. They fit great, the sound quality is amazing, the bass quality is phenomenal, and it really does cancel out a lot of the sounds. I'm not going to say that it's a fully noise cancellation headphone, but it does cancel out most of the sound that is around you while you're listening to the music. Aside from all that, you know, I showed you guys you have all the buttons on the side here. They're pretty easy to notice when you're not looking at the headphones directly. Like, I've pretty much memorized them now, and if you don't memorize them, you can always just feel them around. Now, that being said, you have the plus and minus button up at the top, you have the pause, power, and play button in the center, and then you have the skip and the previous song button down at the bottom. And all those buttons are individually placed, so basically it's like on a rocker system, except for the pause and play button. Now, aside from everything that I've just said, these headphones also fit really comfortably with glasses of any kind. I wear both regular glasses and I wear these sunglasses, and as you can see, these sunglasses have a pretty wide frame, but these headphones are not at all pushing them closer to my head or making it uncomfortable for me to wear while wearing these headphones. So I really do like the fact that, you know, these headphones basically are very comfortable to use. And throughout this whole thing, I hope you guys got to hear just how clear the mic quality is for these headphones. They're extremely clear. I don't have any other mic system on me. I'm not using the phone's mic that I'm recording from right now. I'm just using the mic system that's on these headphones. And it's super crisp and clear. I mean, even when I'm in a phone call, I can hear the other person crystal clear and they can hear me, and I don't have to be shouting like crazy. I can basically be talking at normal talking volume and they'll hear me perfectly fine without any problems. And you know, I'm just recording this video right now on the rooftop. It looks amazing up here. So let's try and get some of this stuff to focus in the background. This is New York City, guys. I don't know if you guys know, but I am based in New York City. So you guys, that's it for this mic test, and also telling you guys and showing you guys how comfortable these headphones really are. I got so caught up in wanting to explain to you guys just how comfortable these headphones are and how much I love the design of these headphones, as well as how much I love how simple the control system is for these headphones, that I completely forgot to mention to you how the battery life is. So from the time that I've used these headphones, the battery life seems to be really good. So it takes about 2 to 2.5 hours to get these headphones fully charged from a dead battery. So I did completely discharge the battery while I was testing out how long these headphones would last on standby mode. And that basically lasted about 2 weeks. So I've been using these headphones for the past week after fully charging them. Now it takes me about 1.5 hours to get to work on a good day and about 1.5 hours to get back home on a good day as well. So give or take about 30 minutes of, you know, time that may or may not exceed that 1.5 hours of travel time. So if you multiply about 3 hours a day of use on these headphones by 7 days, that's 21 hours of battery time that I've so far used with these headphones. And they still have charge and I'm still able to use them. That being said, I'm pretty sure that I'll be able to get about another 2 to 3 days out of battery life from these headphones before they completely die from being used constantly. Well, not constantly, but being used for 3 hours per day. Alright you guys, so that's about it for this review and unboxing of the Aluratek Bluetooth wireless stereo headphones. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys got to see exactly what I think about these headphones. I think that they're an amazing set of headphones. They really do have a great sound quality. The mic quality is great on these headphones. I hope you guys got to hear just how clear the mic was while I was using it up on the rooftop. And you know, these headphones have a really nice control system. It's simple and it's easy to use. You don't have to double use any of the buttons besides the pause and play button. And they have a really nice comfort aspect to them. You know, I like the fact that these little ear bits move side to side. You can really position them nicely on your ear. I like that this whole piece right here fits very nicely on my head. And overall, I definitely would recommend anyone that's in the market for an over-the-ear headset that's Bluetooth to definitely check these out. I'll be leaving a link to them in the description box below if you guys want to take a look at them. If you guys have any questions or comments about these headphones, definitely drop them in the comments section below. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up down there as well. And if you guys like what you saw in this video and want to see more content just like it, consider subscribing to my channel. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.